How to change avatar in stereo. Hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to change your avatar in stereo. So if you're using stereo, for those who are just new to stereo and they regret their avatar and they want to change their avatar, this video is for you. All you need to do is open up your stereo right here. Once you open up your stereo right here, click on the bottom right corner right here. After clicking on the bottom right corner right here, you will see your profile right there. All you need to do is press on the profile right there. After pressing on it right there, you will see here they call this one right here, your profile right there. You can change it by clicking on tap change. Here now you can change it. You can change your hairstyle, head, eyes, from nose, mouth, ears, and facial, hair, accessories, clothes, and there you go. You can change any of that right there. And here also as well, after changing any of that right there, for example, you change that right there, for example, add the jacket right there, click on save on the top right corner. After clicking on save, as you can see right now, our avatar has now changed. And here you can also change your username and also your name by just clicking on that. For example, Clint Journal, we're gonna add another A. There you go. There you go. Note you only change username once every 30 days. So we're gonna add another A. There you go. Then as you can see right now, we have changed it. Now we can only change it every 30 days. There you go. Next change is allowed after 2026-04-18, 2025. There we go. As you can see right there. So there you go, guys. That's how to do it. If you guys enjoyed. If you have questions, concerns, have a question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible here at Guide Dreams. There you go, guys. And thank you, guys.